The concept of yin and yang originates from ancient Chinese philosophy and is a fundamental element of Taoism. It first appeared in texts over 3,000 years ago and during the time of the Zhou dynasty. The idea was developed further in classical Chinese texts such as the I Ching and later by the philosopher Lao Tzu in the Tao Te Ching. Yin and Yang represents the dual nature of existence, emphasizing that all things exist as inseparable and contradictory opposites. Yin is characterized by qualities such as darkness, passivity, and femininity, coldness, and introspection. In contrast, Yang is associated with light, activity, masculinity, warmth, and extroversion. The symbol of Yin and Yang, the Tai Chi Tu, illustrates how these forces are interconnected and interdependent, with a dot of each present within the other, signifying that each contains the seed of the other. This philosophy suggests that the balance and interaction between yin and yang bring harmony and order to the universe. The concept has been influential not only in Taoism, but also in Confucianism, traditional Chinese medicine, martial arts, and various other aspects of Chinese culture and thought. It underscores the belief that balance and moderation are essential for the natural order and human well-being. The world can be understood as functioning within a yin and yang system through the interplay of various natural and scientific phenomena. In ecosystems, the balance between predator and prey populations maintains ecological stability, and this dynamic equilibrium is essential for preventing overpopulation and resource depletion. In physics, the concept of entropy aligns with yin and yang. Energy disperses, increasing entropy, and concentrates, decreasing entropy, maintaining a balance in energy distributing across systems. The water cycle further exemplifies this balance. Evaporation, energy absorption and dispersion, and condensation, energy release and concentration, regulate climate and weather patterns. Similarly, in human biology, the autonomic nervous system operates with a balance between the sympathetic yang, stimulating fight or flight responses, and parasympathetic yin, promoting rest and digest systems. These scientific principles illustrate how natural processes inherently seek a balance between opposing forces, embodying the essence of the yin and yang philosophy. The universe, in its vast, intricate complexity, appears to be fundamentally governed by the principle of equilibrium. From the smallest atomic interactions to the grandest cosmic structures, systems inherently seek balance and stability. Thermodynamic processes naturally drive toward energy distribution, achieving thermal equilibrium. Stars, galaxies, and even the expansion of the universe itself demonstrate a dynamic equilibrium where opposing forces such as gravitational pull and nuclear fusion pressure maintain cosmic harmony. In biological and ecological systems, equilibrium ensures sustainability and diversity of life, regulating interactions and homeostasis. The pervasive quest for balance across different scales of phenomena suggests that equilibrium is a foundational principle underpinning the very fabric of the universe. The returning soldier effect is a phenomenon where after a war is finished, there is a large increase in baby boys being born. Many have speculated that this is because men gain more testosterone after a war, therefore increasing chances of a boy being born. Some have even thought this as proof of reincarnation. However, it could be seen as nature balancing itself out. During war, the men are the ones who are forced to fight, and of course, as a result, a lot of men end up dying. If the amount of people being born had even distribution of the two sexes after war, then there would be far too many women to men and would most likely result in a population collapse. I like to think that nature was correcting itself by increasing the male birth rate to keep the species alive. In ecosystems, predator and prey populations tend to regulate each other. When prey populations increase, predator populations also rise due to the abundance of food. This increase in predators then reduces the prey population, which in turn leads to a decrease in predator population, thus maintaining a balance. Homeostasis is the process by which living organisms maintain a stable internal environment despite changes in external conditions. This dynamic equilibrium is crucial for the proper functioning of cells, tissues, organs, and overall physiological processes. The homeostasis involves maintaining body temperature and fluid balance within specific preset limits known as the homeostatic range. Additionally, other variables such as the pH, extracellular fluid, and the concentrations of sodium, potassium, and calcium ions, as well as blood sugar levels need to be regulated. This regulation must occur despite fluctuations in environmental conditions, dietary intake, or activity levels. Many examples of there being too much of something and too little of another can be detrimental. Too many vegetables and not enough meat can lead to several health concerns, and too much meat and not enough vegetables is no different. The concept of there being a yin and yang may seem far-fetched, but it seems in all areas of life, whether it be physics, biology, or chemistry, the system seems to be reliant on keeping the balance and maintaining the yin and yang.